grade friends. It's Mrs. Gibson. We're here to warm up our brains for math today, and we're going to do that with the turnaround rule. The turnaround rule means that when you have 3 plus 2, like you do in this picture, 3 red triangles plus 2 yellow circles, and you know that equals 5, you could turn it around and also say 2 yellow circles plus 3 red triangles equals 5. The 2 can come first, then the 3, it equals 5. Or the 3 can come first, and then you add the 2, and it equals 5. So thinking about that, let's warm up, and you're going to need something to write with and something to write on. So if you could take just a minute and go get that, I'll wait here. Are you back? All right, let's try it together. Say that one day I was building with some blocks, and I used 1, 2, 3, 4 square blocks. Can you write down 4? Awesome. And then on my blocks, I actually added 1 blue triangle. How many did I use in all? 1, 2, 3, 4 plus 1 equals 5. You're right. Nice job. But what if I said the turnaround story? One day I was building with blocks. First I used a blue triangle, and then I added 4 squares. How many did I use in all? Can you write it down? 1 plus 4 more equals 5. It's the turnaround rule. 1 and 4 have the same sum no matter if I start with 1 and then add 4, or if I start with 4 and then add 1. It's the same. Okay, let's try it a little bit more. This time we'll use numbers instead of objects, and we'll also tell the story of them. Let's try it. Okay. One day I was outside and I was able to find 5 dandelions in my yard. I like to collect those. Some people think that they're not as pretty, but I really like them. And then the next day I went out and I collected 3 dandelions that day. So how many dandelions did I collect all together? Write down 5 plus 3 on your board. What's the sum? 5, 6, 7, 8. I counted up. How did you figure out that 5 plus 3 equals 8? That's right. Let's do a turnaround rule. What if on Saturday I went outside and I was able to find 3 dandelions, but then the next day I went out and I was able to find 5 dandelions. So Saturday I found 3, and on Sunday I found 5 more. How many did I find altogether? Did you write 8? That's right. So look, friends, sometimes we start with 5 plus 3 and get 8, or we could do the turnaround rule and do 3 plus 5 equals 8. On your board, if you start with 2 and you add 4, what's the turnaround rule? I'm going to keep writing while you write, and we'll show it. Our brains are going to be so warmed up. Are you about ready? Pause the video if you're still working and showing your turnaround rule for 2 and 4. All right, mathematicians, Are you using the turnaround rule and knowing that 2 plus 4 equals 6? So 4 plus 2 equals 6? You can continue to warm up and think of a few more numbers that go together and have the same sum no matter the order. Good warm up today, mathematicians.